Hey guys, today I'll be showing you this shield right here and we'll be talking about my Patreon and Gumroad page and some of the assets that I'm going to be downloading on there. Alright, straight away I want to say about this shield that I made. This is a SCI-FI shield and it looks pretty cool. The handle has some cool details to it. It has cool futuristic cool stuff to it, and I think it looks pretty cool. You can say what you want if you think about it in your comments below. You can say if you like it or not. Anyway, also the other thing I wanted to say is about my Patreon page and Gumroad. Those are the platforms that you can download any of my assets, including this shield right here. This will be able to be downloaded for free, which is awesome. You can do whatever you want to it, make it into your own cool shield, and yep. And also to mention my other assets from my tutorials and presentations, they will be able also to download for free on Patreon and Gumroad, so you can all use it. And also, just to mention another thing, probably you're wondering why this is just me talking without the music, is because my video had a glitch and it didn't record the actual presentation, just so you know. All good. See you in the next presentations and tutorials.